In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a terms and conditions page in GoHighLevel. A clear terms and conditions page helps set expectations, protects your business, and builds trust with visitors. We'll keep this simple and professional so you get a clean, readable page that fits seamlessly into your funnel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to the Sites section, then open Funnels. Inside your funnel, create a fresh page by selecting Add New Page. Give it the name Terms and Conditions so it's easy to recognize later. For the URL path, type /terms and conditions using lowercase letters and hyphens. This keeps your link clean, memorable, and user-friendly. When that looks good, click Create New Page to confirm. Next, choose your template. Select Create from Blank. Starting from a blank canvas is best for legal pages because it reduces distractions and ensures the focus stays on your content. Now let's build the layout. Add a full width section to give your page a solid foundation across the entire screen. Inside that section, drop in a single column row. A one-column layout keeps the reading experience smooth and avoids clutter, which is ideal for legal text. Add your title next. Insert a headline element and set the text to Terms and Conditions. Keep it straightforward and consistent with your brand style. A clear H1 title helps visitors immediately understand where they are. You can center it or left align it depending on your site's look, but make sure it's legible on both desktop and mobile. Time for the content. Click to add a new element and choose Paragraph. Paste your Terms and Conditions text directly into this element. Before you move on, clean up the formatting. Remove any odd line breaks, fix spacing, and replace any placeholder text so everything reflects your business accurately. If your content includes links to your privacy policy or support resources, make sure those links are styled consistently and easy to see. It's always a good idea to prepare your legal text beforehand and consult a qualified professional to ensure it's accurate for your location and industry. Finally, save your work. Click Save to store your changes. Saving frequently helps prevent accidental loss and locks in your progress. That's it. Your Terms and Conditions page is ready to use in your funnel. A clean layout, a clear title, and properly formatted content make a big difference in how professional and trustworthy your site appears. Thanks for watching.